Hello friends, I am Dr. Vishnu Agrawal welcomes you in my channel Engineering Setu. So today we will discuss the solution of NPTEL assignment 5 of computer integrated manufacturing. So before starting the assignment, I request you to subscribe my channel so that you will get the solution time to time. So let's discuss the assignment. Question number 1. The last date of this assignment for submission is 28 Feb 24. So let's discuss the question number 1. A group of command given to the CNC or NC for operating the machine is called program. So second option is correct. So group of command is called program. Second question. In NC, various functions and cutter movements are controlled by the machine control unit. So this is the true statement because all the movement are controlled by machine control unit. Next question. In NC, the direction moving its blank from the workpiece is typically defined as positive. So direction moving away from the workpiece is defined as positive and towards the workpiece is called negative. So first option is correct, away. The Z axis in machining is always aligned with which component? So Z axis in machining must be aligned with the spindle. So second option is correct, spindle. Question number 5. What is the most common way to classify NC machine? The most common way to classify the NC machine is the number of axes. So by the number of axes we can classify the NC machine. So third option is correct. Question number 6. In a 2-axis NC machine, what is the independent control axis for the cutter? So in 2-axis NC machine, the Z axis is the independent control axis for the cutter. Question number 7. Known modal commands in an NC program such as the dwell command may stay in effect indefinitely until explicitly cancelled or changed. So this statement is false. So for 7, question number 7, the second option is correct. It is a false statement. A CNC mill in general provides simultaneously motion control in 3 linear direction and 2 rotation. 3 linear direction and 2 rotation means it is a 5-axis machine. So a 5-axis CNC mill in general provides simultaneously motion in 3 linear direction and 2 rotational direction. Okay, the next, when using a Z90 absolute position command, each dimension or move is referenced from a fixed point called absolute 0. So reference point is absolute 0 for question number 9. For question number 10, what does Z04 denote in part programming? And so it is a Z code program, it is a G code, and G04 denote the dwell in part programming. So these are the answers for all 10 questions. So may I repeat? For question number 1, second option is correct. For question number 2, it is a true statement. For question number 3, the direction moving away from the workpiece is called as positive. For Z-axis machining is always aligned with which component? It's a spindle. What is the most common way to classify NC machine? So answer is by the number of axes. In 2-axis NC machine, what is the independent control axis for the cutter? Z axis. Known modal command for question number 7 is a false statement. So 3 linear and 2 rotational motion. It is a 5-axis machine. So for question number 8, fourth option is correct. For question number 9, the reference point should be absolute 0. And for question number 10, it is a G code. And for this, the option second is right, dwell. Okay students, thanks for watching my video, thanks for listening. Hope you are enjoying all the solution. Thank you.